How to become a Gold Elite Plus tier member in Al-Fursan, the program of Saudia Airlines for the frequent flyer. Hi there, after being a silver tier member in Al-Fursan, the frequent flyer with Saudia Airlines needs to double the volume of the flying activities. More 20 flights or more 25,000 points as tier credits. And this should to be done from first day of the year, which is fixed. You could check out the episode of how to become a silver tier member in Al-Fursan over the channel content. Our current reading based on the recent experiences and the literature from the official digital channels of Saudia Airlines. For more like these episodes to master the arts of traveling and experiences, never hesitate to be the permanent follower for this channel community by subscribing to the XB channel here. Thanks for watching, dear friends. This is SHADI who's talking to you. To the next XB. Have a happy day.